I will divide into two parts this one. Okay. And C. Where is the C? Yeah. This is the Windows files. What this is? Windows file system. Windows file system hierarchy. And this is Linux file system hierarchy. Okay. So Linux file system hierarchy. So this is the Windows system hierarchy. Guys, so what this something like a program files x86 users and here bin boot opt what these directories, what is the purpose of these directories, what these directories. So right, you already know Windows, right? You are seeing, right? So what this is, so this is a program files. If I click that program files, so what it is, Git installed, Google installed, so McAfee, these all are the third party softwares, Putty installed, Terraform installed, right? The third party softwares will be installed under the program files. Program x86, the system related softwares will be installed under the so program files x86. So what is that? Users. So for example, Hari user. So right. So every directory having their own purpose. Every directory having their own purpose. Same like as a Linux also. So the Linux file system hierarchy also. Every directory having their own file systems. Every directory having their own file systems. Like a. So what are those? Those are something like a. So what is the a slash? Slash is the parent directory for all the directories. What is that?
Root directory is the parent directory. Slash.
No, not root. This is the slash. Slash is the, so here you see there is a root directory. So here you see this is the root directory. This is not a root, guys. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
this is only slash is the parent directory for all the directories. What is that? Slash is a parent directory for all the directories. Okay. So what these directories are something like so while starting the server there will be a bootable files. The bootable files information will be located under the slash boot directory. What is directory? Slash boot directory. Once you boot that directory, so you logged in as a which user? A root user, right? Slash root is the root user's home directory. What is that? Slash root is the root user home directory. Root user home directory slash root. So boot is nothing but all the bootable information. So bootable information will be available under the slash boot. Okay, slash boot. And so where is nothing but a so the variable information, the log information. So here the log information in the variable in the var there is a log information will be available. Okay, and the so this is the root user's home directory. Normal users. We have two types of users, right? One is a normal user, other one is the root user. Root user is the super user, root can do anything. The same like as a home directory, the normal user's home directory will be created under the slash home, right? So slash home is nothing but is slash home. is nothing but the normal user home directory will be created under the /home Hari, right? /home Durga. So right. So these all are the normal users home directory will be created under the /home. So right. So whatever the commands we are executing, right? So cat /etc, right? Has been under a bin and has been contains bin and has been contains so commands. What commands? So bin is nothing but a binary. So binary directory contains the commands root. So root is something like sbin is nothing but a super binary. So super binary also contains the commands. Okay. So this is the super binary commands will executed only the super user. Who is the super user? Root user. Right. Bin commands. Bin commands will execute only on the normal users. Normal users. Guys understood?
Sir, please better to write it in the text format, na? It will be easy to remember.
Yeah, yeah. I will write it. Okay. Yeah. So once we'll tell you, right, I will write it in the notepad also. Okay. So the OPT, so dev and bin. So that root user can execute both bin and has been commands. So the bin commands only executed by the normal user. That normal user will be executed only the bin commands. Okay. So OPT and SRV. So the system related softwares will be installed under the program files x86. Is the third party softwares will be installed under the program file. So the same like as a here also, the system related softwares will be installed under the /usr. The same like as a the third party softwares will be installed under the OPT. The third party softwares will be installed under the OPT softwares. Right. The /etc contains the configuration files. So whenever you install the server or something like the configuration files will be stored under the /etc. Okay, and dev. Whatever we took the 20 GB to install the OS, right? That hard disk information will be available under the /dev slash dev. So media MNT. So MNT is nothing but a the USB pen drives, USB everything. So media is nothing but we took the we added the CentOS 7 ISO, right? So that media DVD or CD-ROM or DVD ROMs, right? That will be available under the media. Okay. So now you understood? Root user is a super user and root user can do root user can do anything. Guys understood?